And that was a bad...
Empty there, so let me put a fresh one in for you. Now, once the magazine's inserted, there's not one in the chamber. Pull back on that.
It's high left.
And then let it go. There you go. Now you're ready to fire.
What was that round?
Whoa.
I'm sorry?
The red dot is...
Here
It's
you
not
go.
even on the thing.
Put it into your shoulder there and kind of bring your head into it.
Are you recording me?
Nope. Individual pictures as you, about 30 a second. Make a nice little hole in the plate.
I want to get it in the center.
Well then, compensate to where you know it's hitting and change by aiming opposite of where you know it's hitting.
Okay, you gotta wash.